Time management is not just doing things efficiently or doing a lot of things in a shorter time. It is mainly how you manage yourself in time. So time management is seen as personal management, starting with what is it that only you can do, going over how you set priority, how you budget time, how you are able to work based on your motivation leading to goal setting. What is very important is that in time management, that you have confidence you can do things and you make use of the inner energy, the so-called subconscious. From there, you are able to get all the help you need. What we are able to do, what we could do from the subconscious energy is enormous. Very often we think that what we do from what we are able to do, but inside of us there is an abundance of energy that not only knows quite a lot, but also it is able to do for you quite a lot of things. Then you can work out what is the so-called multitasking. Normally, two ways of looking at it, doing one thing after the other or doing various things simultaneously, because our brain is so worked out that we can concentrate on a particular thing to certain amount of time. So you can shift from one to the other. For example, you can read for an hour, then you can have a short break, then you can work on your composition or painting, or you can have a short break. So like that you can keep on working. You can work for many hours without getting tired. And so this is basically what is time management. That knowing the priority, knowing what you can do, how you can effectively do that one. And also it is based on networking. Certain things I can do, certain things I can delegate, certain things I can do with the help of others. That way we can work in collaboration with others. This is all about the time management.